So understanding biodiversity is important. Biodiversity is what holds an ecosystem together, which gives it resilience during change. This is a project we're trying to catalog biodiversity in Puget Sound. We're trying to look at the small animals that are overlooked and understudied in Puget Sound. So about 2.5 years ago, scuba divers went in and put in these structures called arms. They're actually a series of plates, plastic plates with openings between them. Things came and went over 2.5 years. Things attached, things swam through. They're like little invertebrate hotels. So today we brought them up. 2 divers went down. They drop a cage on top of the arms, invert it and bring it up. So we've captured what was living in there. They're carried in totes, so everything's still alive. So when we bring them into the laboratory, we unbolt the thing, we take the structures apart so all 9 plates are swished, and we get all the mobile animals into a big tote. We sieve them out, and anything bigger than 2 millimeters is taken into the lab. We get to pick through and try and identify what's been down there. There's crabs, there's shrimp, we see sea stars, sea urchins. We saw 3 flatworms that just ooze their way around on the plates. One of the coolest inhabitants of this thing that we've seen at every location is this pygmy Euless shrimp. It's a 1/2 inch at most, and we found females are just totally full of eggs, and we got 150 of them in one spot. Yet, who knows about that? I didn't know about that. I'm excited to be able to photograph those and put them in the category for Puget Sound.
I saw one of those in the last one. It was like
So it's a 2-step process. We identify all the species we can by eye that are greater than 2 millimeters. Everything else then, we extract DNA from the unknown things that we can't quite see. So by gathering information here, by doing the first inventory at this level in Puget Sound, it lays the foundation for future work. What is there now? What is there in 10 years? And I think by keeping an eye on this inventory, we're better able to look at models of ecosystem change and how is the ecosystem responding at all the different levels.